In today's fast-paced world, technology shapes the way we live and work, fundamentally transforming nearly every aspect of our daily routines. But nothing is having a bigger impact than artificial intelligence, a force that is revolutionizing industries at an unprecedented pace. AI is not only optimizing processes and increasing efficiency, but also reshaping entire business models, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and finance. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept. It's a reality shaping our everyday lives. It's here, embedded in our factories, stores, offices, and even our homes. From robots working on assembly lines to sophisticated algorithms determining what products we see and purchase, AI is fundamentally changing the way the world operates. But what does this mean for human jobs, livelihoods, and the skills we need for the future? AI has the power to perform many tasks once handled by humans, transforming industries at a rapid pace. From driving cars autonomously to stacking shelves in warehouses with precision, and even processing complex financial transactions in mere seconds, AI is reshaping the job landscape. Many of the roles we are familiar with today, especially those involving routine, repetitive tasks, may no longer exist in the near future. The idea of widespread job displacement can feel unsettling, sparking concerns about unemployment and the future of the workforce. While some jobs disappear, new roles emerge. AI engineers, data scientists, and AI-driven healthcare workers are more in demand than ever. Instead of replacing us, AI often works alongside us, amplifying our abilities and enhancing creativity. In the future, transportation is set to undergo a profound transformation. Autonomous vehicles will revolutionize not only personal travel, but also logistics, with AI-driven fleets optimizing delivery routes, reducing traffic congestion, and improving overall efficiency. As a result, workers in the transportation industry will adapt to new roles, transitioning from traditional driving jobs to overseeing and managing these AI-powered systems. The transportation sector will become a prime example of how humans and AI can collaborate to enhance safety, productivity, and sustainability. Despite the many benefits AI brings, certain industries may face an uncertain future. Jobs in transportation, manufacturing, and retail are particularly vulnerable to automation, where tasks traditionally done by humans may be taken over by machines. This shift will be raising concerns about job displacement and the future of the workforce. However, this doesn't mean we're powerless in the face of change. Through reskilling, upskilling, and embracing new roles in the evolving economy, we have the opportunity to adapt, innovate, and shape a future where technology and human workers can coexist and thrive. Reskilling and upskilling are crucial in adapting to the evolving landscape of automation and AI. As industries may undergo rapid transformation, workers equipped with the right training can successfully transition into AI-augmented roles. Whether it's learning new technical skills, mastering data-driven tools, or understanding how to work alongside advanced technologies, this shift ensures that workers remain not only relevant, but highly valuable in a world that's changing faster than ever before. By investing in continuous learning, individuals can secure their future and thrive in this dynamic, tech-driven economy. The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about AI with humans, working hand in hand to push the boundaries of innovation, creativity, and possibility. Rather than replacing human intelligence, AI amplifies it, allowing us to solve problems faster and approach challenges from entirely new perspectives. Whether it's in healthcare, where AI helps doctors deliver more precise treatments, in architecture, where it assists in designing smarter and more sustainable cities, or in the arts, where it unlocks new realms of creative expression. The key to progress lies in collaboration. This future is defined by people and machines coming together, complementing each other's strengths, and exploring uncharted territories of human potential and technological advancement. As AI continues to transform our world, the future of work holds great promise. With the right planning and understanding, we can build a world where humans and AI work hand in hand. This future will allow us to do more meaningful work, where technology supports us in reaching new heights and solving bigger challenges. By embracing AI thoughtfully, we can create workplaces that are both innovative and rewarding. Together, we can shape a future where everyone thrives and the world becomes more creative and forward-thinking.